Do you know what is a constitution? How Constitution of India made and what is cabinet mission plan? Constitution is the supreme law of the land. It is the basic structure which defines the power of the state, that is legislature, executive and judiciary, and rights and duties of its citizens. Constitution determines the organization of the government, the distribution of powers to various organs of the government, and the general principle on which powers are exercised. The Constituent Assembly made the Constitution of India. The Cabinet Mission Plan in the year 1946 had recommended for the establishment of a Constituent Assembly to frame the Constitution of India. It was declared on 16th May 1946 and Constituent Assembly met for the first time on 9th December 1946.